right here. L-I-M-P, biscuit is right here. People in the house, put their hands in the air. Cause if you don't care, then we don't care. 1, 2, 3 times 2 to the 6. Jonesing for your fix of the Limp Bizkit mix. So where the you at, punk? Shut the up and back the up while we this track up. Throw your hands 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 up. Now move back. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Breathe in, now breathe out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 You don't wanna mess with Limp Bizkit? Yeah, you can't mess with Limp Bizkit. Why? Because we get it on every day and every night. Hear this platinum thing right here? But we're doing it all the time. So you better get some better beats and get some better rhymes. We got the game set, so don't complain yet. 24/7, never begging for a rain check. Old school soldiers blasting out the hot shit. That rock shit and bounce in the mosh pit. Throw your hands up. 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 Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Breathe in, now breathe out. Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 Hey ladies, hey fellas, and the people that don't give a all the lovers, all the haters, and all the people that call themselves players. Hot mamas, pimp daddies, and the people rolling up in caddies. Hey rockers, hip hoppers, and everybody all around the world. Hands up, now hands down. Back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Breathe in, now breathe out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 Move in, now move back. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Breathe in, now breathe out. Hands up, now hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 only we can fly. This biscuit style. John Otto, take him to the Matthews Bridge. Can you feel it? A generation. Get up! A generation. Are you ready? Do you know where you are? Welcome to the jungle, punk. Take a look around. A Slim Biscuit up your town. We downloaded the shockwave for all the ladies in the cave to get your groove on. And maybe I'm the one who flew over the cuckoo's nest. Well, guess who's next? Generation X, Generation Strange. So don't even shine through our window pane. So go ahead and talk about me. And go ahead and talk about my generation. Cause we don't give a fuck again. We won't ever give a fuck again till you give a fuck about me and my generation. Hey kid, take my advice. You don't wanna step into a big pile of captain's drunk. Your world is Titanic, floating on the funk. So get your groove on. And maybe I am just a little fucked up. Life's just a little fucked up. Generation X, Generation Strange. So don't even shine through our window pane. So go ahead and talk about me. And go ahead and talk about my generation. We don't give a fuck again. We won't ever give a fuck again till you give a fuck about me and my generation. We don't give a fuck again. We won't ever give a fuck again till you give a fuck about me and my generation. Who gets the blame? You get the blame, and I get the blame. Who gets the blame? You get the blame, and I get the blame. But do you think we can fly? Do you think we can fly? Do you think we can fly? Well, I do. DJ Lethal, bring it on! it's all for you. The world I love, the trains are hard to be part of. The wave can't stop. Come and tell me when it's time to